So you want to go from this to this, or this? Angry Hulk smash arms are. Sorry, let's get serious now. Try this workout for building bigger arms. Close grip bench press. Plus barbell biceps curl.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next?
Triceps cable push down. Plus bicep cable curl.
New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands from the people who deceive me.
Wow.
Hands break through the chains, go free me.
Overhead rope triceps extension. Plus dumbbells hammer curls.
Stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated.
But wait. Did you know there is coffee that the more you drink it the more slimmer you get? Check link in description for your own Coffee Slimmer Pro and get your body in shape for the summer.